Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I am going to show you where Chrome stores password. So without further delay, let's get started on the video. First of all, open the Chrome. You can see I am on my Chrome and tap on this three dot on the top right corner. From here you will see this setting. From here this is the button, password button, and this is the email account, and your password will be saved on your default email address. So click on password and you will find the list of password from here on different website, and you can search by a specific website from here. I hope you like this video. If you like, subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on my